Hello everyone, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. Also, if you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. But don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So today we are making a video series on Microsoft Word, and if you are beginner in Microsoft Word, I think it will be useful for you also, and hoping you will follow my all the video series and you will watch all the video, and hoping you will understand everything about Microsoft Word. And if you get any kind of confusion about Microsoft Word, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer in all the comments, and if you have any kind of confusion, don't hesitate to ask me. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So how can you open Microsoft Word? Just press Windows key plus R. There are several ways to open Microsoft Word, but I'm using this one. So I'm pressing Windows key plus R and the run window will pop up. Then you have to type WinWord, WINWORD, WinWord. Okay, then just press enter, and now my Microsoft Word is opening. So what is Microsoft Word? If you are a beginner in Microsoft Word and you don't know about the Microsoft Word, I'm giving you some introduction about the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the popular program, which is one of the most popular program to do any kind of typing related works. You can make a book, you can make a newspaper, you can write an article, and if you have any kind of typing related tasks, you can use it, and it's one of the useful program. So after opening this one, so there are lots of templates also available, but I'm choosing this one. Just wait for a moment. I'm choosing the blank document, and you can see this is the interface of Microsoft Word, and I'm telling you about the bars in Microsoft Word. So what is bar? See, there is lots of bars available in Microsoft Word. The first of all is title bar. You can see there is a document one. This is a file name where we are working, and the Microsoft Word, this is the program name, and in my right side there is a minus that is called minimize. If you click here, your Microsoft Word will be minimized, and here is a small screen. You can make it full screen from here also. And if you want to close your Microsoft Word, you have to click in a close button. Okay, and in the right side you can see there is a save button. You can save your file from here, and there is undo and redo also available. And from here you can see you can customize quick access toolbar. Now my save is activated, undo, redo is activated, and if you want to add more quick access toolbar, then you can choose like this, but it's okay for me, that's why I'm moving on. And you can see below the title bar there is another bar available, that is menu bar. See, there is file menu. Okay, there is home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, developer, and many more options available. And hoping you will follow all the steps. So you can see in every menu there is a sections available. There is lots sections available. See, there is clipboard sections, font sections, paragraph section, style section, and there is lots sections available. Each section have different tasks. Okay, so and we will learn in the future about every sections, and hoping you will understand about it. And if you have any kind of confusions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Okay, so here is our page, and so I'm typing something. So hello everyone, it's me, Dipesh, and I am making a video series on MS Word for you. Okay, I have typed something about something in my Microsoft Word, and after this, see, so let's talk about the file menu. You can see there is lots option available. First of all is information. If you want to know about your file, you can see there is lots information available. One is size. There is not saved. It is telling us not saved yet. That's why we have to save it. So if you want to save your file, just go to in file, then click in save. Then after that, you can save it in OneDrive also, and you can save it in my computer also. And inside computer there is lots folders available. But and now I'm saving my file in documents. Just wait for a moment, and now you can see I'm saving my files inside the documents folder. And here is, you have to give file name. I'm giving a file name which is Dipesh YouTube 2. Okay, you can see before it was document 1, right? Now it is Dipesh YouTube 2. Okay, and there is another option also available, that is save as. And if you want to change the file name in this condition, you can use it. And so I am saving this one, documents. And if you want to change your name, or you can give a if you have important document, you can give a password also. So I am giving a password tools, general options, and from here you can give a password. So I am giving 123, and okay, and it's telling us confirm password, render password to open. That's why I'm giving 123 again. Okay, now we are saving our file in documents by giving the name Dipesh YouTube 2 and using the password 123, and I'm saving it. Okay, so and another option is close. If you want to close your file, you can use it. Just go to file and then click in close. And after this, if you want to open your file, just go to in file and open, and there is Dipesh YouTube 2 available. You can see it's asking us the password before we use 123, right? That's why it's asking. So I'm typing 123 and okay. If the password is correct, it will open, but if your password is not correct, it will not open. Okay, so now in this time our password is correct, that's why it's opening. And another option is information. Before also I told you about information. If you want to know about the file information, you can use it. See, there is a size of my file. It's 17.0 KB, and I have 1 pages only. I have 19 words, and total editing time is 0 minutes. You can see also. And another option is new. If you want to create a new document, in that case you can use a new document. Okay, and another option is print. It's one of the most important features of Microsoft Word. And if you want to print your document, just go to file and print, or you can directly press Ctrl+P also, but I'm going to file and print. See, you can see in the print preview also in my right side, if I print my file in this time, it will be printed like this. And from the printer you can choose your favorite printer, and after this how many pages you want to print, you can print all pages, or you can print current page only also, or you can give the your desired page number also from here, and you can choose the page size also, and how many copies you want to print, you can give the copies from here. After this you have to click in print, and it will start to print. Okay, and another option is share. So you can share your files in through email also, online also, post to blog also. And but for this you need an internet connection. Without internet connection you cannot share your file. And another option is export. If you want to create a PDF file using Microsoft Word, this is the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. And for this you have to go in export and just click in create PDF/XPS document, and from create PDF/XPS document you can create a PDF file from here. Okay, and one other option is close. Before also we discussed about it. Close, if you want to close your file, in that case you can close it. And another option is account. If you have Microsoft account, in that case you can use it, and but you need internet connection for this one. And another option is available. You can see there is lots word option available. General, display, proofing, shape, language, advanced, customize ribbon. You can customize ribbon from here also. Quick access toolbar, before also we discussed about it. And arrange and trust centers, like these lots word options available. So just wait for a moment. I am customizing a ribbon, so I think I don't want a developers, so I want to remove this one. So I will uncheck this one. Just wait for a moment. I'm unchecking this one. Now it's done. You can see my menu bar also reduced. So this was for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you get some idea about Microsoft Word. And if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. So without any late, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also. Don't forget to give me a like also. Don't forget to share my video also. Hoping you will give me a subscription. So I'll meet with you with another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.